The live cost of FTX is $3.62806339. FTX cost, with an expected flood, could go as high as $7.98 toward the finish of 2024. FTT cost could arrive at a high of $25.16 toward the finish of 2030. The earlier year ended up being the most well-off season for altcoins. The vast majority of those had beaten the most predominant resource Bitcoin. One such resource that astounded the crypto space with huge cost spikes in Q1 was the FTX token. The FTX is based on the ERC20 token and is a crypto subordinates trade. It intends to give institutional-grade arrangements by offering prospects, utilized tokens, and over-the-counter (OTC) exchanging. Could it be said that you are one of the numerous crypto market financial backers who have been attempting to investigate what is going on and comprehend the eventual fate of this crypto and FTX cost expectation? Lock in your belts, as this review covers the conceivable eventual fate of the organization and coin on the lookout for 2024 and the years to come. FTX token value expectation December 2023, the FTT cost was seen exchanging a merged reach for a short period, following which the cost recovered energy and broke out of the reach. The cost then encountered a minor rectification, after which the cost acquired critical activity and recorded a flood of more than 60% in esteem. Subsequent to being dismissed at $5.0253, the cost began exchanging a merged reach somewhere in the range of $4.0396 and $4.5439 for a short period, following which the cost as of late broke out of the reach, demonstrating a bullish impact on the lookout. As of late, the cost recovered energy and recorded a leap of 25% in esteem prior to confronting dismissal at $6. From that point forward, the cost has been exchanging under a negative impact. Besides, the cross EMA 50 multi-day shows a high chance of a passing cross soon. TradingView. FTX token USDT. The moving typical combination dissimilarity (MACD) shows a rising green histogram, demonstrating a gigantic continuous cost activity for the coin. Further, the midpoints show a bullish combination, recommending the cost to keep losing esteem in the approaching time. On the off chance that the bulls push the cost over the obstruction level of $4.0396, the cost will keep acquiring worth and make a hurry to test its upper opposition level of $4.5550 soon. Further, assuming the market keeps up with the cost at that level, it will get ready to test its obstruction level of $5 in the approaching time. On the other hand, assuming the bears overwhelmed the bulls, the cost would lose force and tumble to test its help level at $3.4550. Besides, assuming the bears keep on ruling the market, it will plan to test its lower support level of $2.8934 in the approaching week. FTT coin value estimate 2024. On the off chance that the group behind the FTX token utilizes formative and local area building drives, the altcoin could guarantee higher tops in the midst of Bitcoin's dividing occasion, which is likewise expected to occur in 2024. In such a case, the FTT value conjecture could drive to its possible high of $7.98. On the disadvantage, ebbing conspicuousness and stiffer rivalry could grasp the cost to $5.74. That being said, the shortfall of moving drives could check the typical cost at $6.86. FTX token value expectation 2025. While anticipating the cost as long as possible, it is understood and dissecting its verifiable impressions. Also, how it acts when bears assume command over the market. FTX token has answered all right to showcase vacillations before. All in all, this protected and quick organization can possibly arrive at the greatest worth of $10.16 toward the finish of 2025. Assuming the coin neglects to present new updates and administrative imperatives across various domains. This might bring about a pullback of the base worth to $8.46. Taking into account all perspectives, the altcoin could exchange at a typical cost of $9.30. FTX token value expectation 2026. As per gauge costs and specialized examination, FTX cost is projected. The greatest cost could hit $13.26, with a typical exchanging cost around $12.17. FTX token value expectation 2027. Anticipating 2027, FTT's cost is supposed to arrive at a low of $13.74, with a high of $14.94. FTX token value expectation 2028. Of every 2028, the cost of a solitary FTX is expected to arrive at least $15.92, with a limit of $17.36 and a typical cost of $16.64. FTX token value forecast 2029. By 2029, FTT's cost is anticipated to arrive at least $16.46, with the possibility to hit a limit of $19.92 and a normal of $18.190. FTX token value forecast 2030. Out of 2030, FTX is anticipated to contact its most minimal cost at $19.18, hitting a high of $25.16 and a typical cost of $22.17. We have made a table that incorporates the conceivable cost expectation for a similar token made by other crypto experts on their individual stages. The objectives referenced above are the typical targets set by the particular firms. FTT value forecast 2024. FTT cost with specific varieties could raise higher, assuming the local area goes into key associations with specific tasks. According to planned FTX cost expectation, the token might flood to a limit of $7.98 toward the finish of 2023. All things considered, the advanced resource succumbing to pessimism could drag the value down to $5.74. Basic examination. FTX token was sent off by SBF and Gary Wang on May 8, 2019. The pioneer finished his 4-year college education from the Massachusetts Foundation of Innovation. Furthermore, acquired insight at the middle for compelling charitableness as overseer of improvement. Sam Bankman-Breuel is likewise the current chief of the FTX organization. Gary Wang finished his graduation from the Massachusetts Establishment of Innovation in Software Engineering and Math. The fellow benefactor recently acquired insight as a computer programmer at Google. He as of now functions as boss innovation official at the crypto subsidiary's trade stage FTX. Almenda Exploration possesses the FTX organization, which is one of the rumored establishments in digital currency exchanging and empowers huge liquidity pools. The FTX stage is worked by a devoted group who are specialists in the pertinent field. What is FTX token? FTX is a crypto subordinates exchanging environment that claims a local token named FTT. The token can be used as guarantee for FATE's exchanging, acquiring commissions on exchanging expenses, moving past the counter discounts. From there, the sky is the limit. The stage tackles the current issues related with FATE's exchanging. On different trades present on the lookout, the insurance is partitioned across discrete symbolic wallets. Nonetheless, FTX subordinates are stablecoin settled and need just a general edge wallet to restrict future situations from getting exchanged. Noteworthy market opinions 2019-2022, the token showed up in the posting in June 2019 with an underlying contribution cost of $1.76. FTX accomplished its $2 blemish on the 20th of December. The year was entirely steady and consistent vacillation was seen in the outline. The cost fluctuated between $2-5 for the entire year. The crypto accomplished its $5 mark during the last exchange